Good morning, students. So, dear students, it is the first video lecture of this activity. This activity name is Enrichment Activities 2 of Unit 2. So, basically, these activities are done to enhance your speaking skills and reading skills. So, for giving you improvement in your reading skills, one passage is given here. You are supposed to read this passage. After reading this passage, some questions are there. You need to write the answers. Basically, these questions are in form of fill-ups. So now that is your task to read this passage. I'm not going to explain the passage. You are to read this passage yourselves. But I can explain the questions which are asked here. First question is that reading, choose the right options to complete these sentences. Right option choose करना है इन sentences को complete करने के लिए. Then the narrator used to go out for walks with her. जो narrator थी वो जाया करती थी, बाहर जाया करती थी वॉक के लिए. किसके साथ? ग्रैंडफादर के साथ, ग्रैंडमदर के साथ, अंकल के साथ या फिर मदर के साथ. By the age of 2, 3, 4 or 5, किस एज तक she could identify different kinds of birds. किस एज में वो किस अलग अलग तरह के बर्ड्स को पहचान पाती थी. The narrator's grandfather turned, जो narrator का grandfather था वो turned हो गया. क्या हो गया उसको? डेफ हो गया यानी कि बहरा हो गया, ब्लाइंड यानी कि अंधा हो गया, लेम यानी कि लंगड़ा हो गया, या पैरालाइज्ड, उसको पैरालाइज्ड हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट थिंग द नरेटर वांटेड हर ग्रैंडफादर टू गेस वाज द नेम ऑफ. वो फर्स्ट थिंग क्या थी जो नरेटर चाहती थी कि उसके ग्रैंडफादर गेस करे उसका नेम, वो क्या थी? ट्री, फ्लावर, बर्ड, क्रीपी क्रैवली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द नरेटर्स ग्रैंडफादर कुड गेस द नेम्स ऑफ. नरेटर का ग्रैंडफादर था वो गैस कर सकता है नेम. किसके नेम? ऑल द फ्लावर्स एंड ट्री करेक्टली, ऑल द बर्ड्स करेक्टली, ऑल द इंसेक्ट्स करेक्टली, या नन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस, इनमें से कोई ऑप्शन भी नहीं. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, it is time to enhance your listening skills. So now I'm going to read out a conversation between two persons. You have to listen very carefully, and then on the behalf of you are listening, you have to fill these statements. First statement is that Ramesh lost his dash file. जो रमेश पर्सन था इसमें, उसने लॉस्ट कर दी थी अपनी फाइल. किस तरह की फाइल थी वो? क्या नाम था उस फाइल का? लेहर वांटेड टू नो. लेहर थी वो जानना चाहती थी. क्या जानना चाहती थी? वी हैव टू फिल हियर. रमेश ड्रेडेड. रमेश डर गया था. किस बात से, किस चीज से डर गया था? मिस कोल एक्सपेक्टेड. मिस कोल क्या एक्सपेक्टेड करती थी, क्या उम्मीद करती थी? लाइफ कैन बी चैलेंजिंग. जो लाइफ है वो चैलेंजिंग बन सकती है, बट फील करना आपने. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट a conversation between two persons. You have to listen very carefully, then you have to fill these options. Ramesh says, "Hey Fred, have you taken my English project file by any chance?" Fred says, "No, I haven't. But please ask Leher. She was asking someone for the file. She wanted to know the theme of the project." Ramesh says, "She called me up a little while ago. I told her to hold on so that I may read out themes to her. When I checked my bag to take the file out, it wasn't there." Fred says, "That's unfortunate. Who could have done this?" Ramesh says, "No idea. I am dreading Miss Cole's scolding tomorrow. What will I say to her? She might feel I am making it up." Fred says, "Hmm, yes, she is strict, no doubt, and she expects all work to be submitted on time." Ramesh says, "Oh my God, I don't know what to do." I guess I will just stay home tomorrow. Fred says, no, this is an escapist attitude. You should not do that. Ramesh says, so what do I do? I'm so confused. I have asked everyone. The file has just disappeared like a genie. Fred says, I think you should call up Miss Cole and tell her everything. She might give you extra time to make your file again. And you can inform the protocols team about the file. They'll take care of this issue. Ramesh says, yeah, I guess this would be the right thing to do. Thanks, Fred. Fred says, I am always there for you. Life can be challenging, but there are solutions. Ramesh says, I feel better after talking to you. Thank you, my friend. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow in school, Fred. All the best. Bye. Now you have to fill these fill ups.